to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our series on how to dress up a sheet cake. And this time we're making a back-to-school cake that looks like a sheet of notebook paper. Let's get started.
We are using a large rectangular cake dummy today, but this design would work for any rectangular cake. I frost the sides of the cake with yellow buttercream. Then I frosted the top of the cake with white buttercream. I tried hard to smooth all surfaces without smearing the colors together. Then I marked the sides of the cake at every inch. And I followed the marks with black buttercream in a piping bag with a small round tip. It's supposed to look like a ruler. Then I marked a vertical line in the top of the cake closer to one side than the other. And I marked every ½ inch along the side. And use the ruler to mark straight lines in the buttercream. I followed the horizontal lines as best I could with the blue buttercream in a piping bag with a small round tip. Then I followed the vertical line with red buttercream. I scored the words "Back to School" in the middle of the paper. Then I piped it with black buttercream. If you like what we do here, consider subscribing for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Then I freehanded a sketch of an apple with red buttercream. It's basically a heart shape with 3 points instead of 1. I smoothed the buttercream. Then I piped a black stem. The yellow buttercream was in a piping bag without a tip. I used it to sketch a sun in one corner. I was basically trying to pipe the kind of sketches children would doodle on their papers. Then I piped A, B, and C with red buttercream. Finally, I piped 1, 2, and 3 with black buttercream. Piping with the black was harder than the others for 2 reasons. The tip was smaller of the tips I was using, I think it's a 2, and the buttercream was not fresh. It was left over from another project and was in a sealed container for several weeks. All the other buttercream is fresh. I used my pointer tool to smooth the buttercream. I think this cake turned out cute. I mean, what says back to school more than a doodled sheet of notebook paper? Including other back to school items such as the apple, the ruler, the alphabet, and the numbers. Welcome back to school! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe.